Hey, I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through hardwiring a smoke and carbon monoxide detector. Not the full book, just the teaser version. This is one of the simplest electrical jobs in the house and one of the most important. 20 minutes per detector once you've done the first one. Here's the scene. A detector in the hallway starts chirping at 3 in the morning. You pull the battery, it still chirps. You pull the detector off the base and it still chirps. That's the end-of-life alarm. Every hardwired detector has a 10-year clock, and when yours hits 0, it'll wake you up until you replace it. And here's the thing. If one detector is 10 years old, every detector on that interconnect chain is 10 years old. You're replacing all of them, not just the loud one. Before you buy anything, diagnose the type. Photoelectric is best for smoldering fires. Ionization is best for fast flaming fires. Dual sensor does both. A combo smoke plus carbon monoxide covers both threats in one unit. For most homes, you want the dual sensor combo, $40 to $60 each. And the critical rule, you cannot mix brands on the same interconnect chain. The signal protocols do not match. Pick one brand, use it everywhere. Here's what the job actually looks like. You kill the breaker that feeds the detector circuit. You test with a non-contact voltage tester, because these are hardwired 120 volts, not just battery. You twist the old detector off its base, unplug the wire harness, and unscrew the old base plate. You screw the new base plate to the ceiling box. You connect the new harness to the house wires with orange wire nuts, black to black, white to white, and red or orange to red or orange for the interconnect. That red wire is how all the detectors alarm together. You drop in the sealed 10-year lithium battery. You plug the harness into the detector body, twist the detector onto the base clockwise, and flip the breaker. Then you test. Press and hold the test button on one detector for 5 full seconds. Every interconnected detector in the house should alarm. If some don't, the interconnect wire is missing or miswired somewhere on the chain. The mistakes that double this job: mixing brands on one chain, forgetting the red interconnect wire and leaving each detector to alarm on its own, skipping the test across the whole chain, placing a detector too close to a kitchen and living with false alarms, and replacing just the chirping one when the whole chain is 10 years old. One safety stop. If you smell gas while you're working, or if you pull a detector down and see scorch marks on the wires or the box, stop. That's a fire risk situation. Call an electrician before you reconnect anything. For the full step-by-step, the placement rules for every room, the interconnect test, and the detector type comparison, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.